dead enough.
Hello Jamaica, my name is Kevin Irvin. I was framed. I actually did time for a crime that I did not do. I was also a victim of. So I just want to let the world know my ordeal. Also, I would like to highlight the system, how unfair and slack the justice system is in Jamaica. Because for my case, for one, there was no investigation done to say whether or not I did it. They said they are taking me into custody on suspicion for robbery, kidnapping, rape, illegal possession of firearm, and indecent assault.
What's up everybody, welcome to my second episode on Their Story. I am Naz from Press Art Studio. Now this episode is about a young man who thought he was going to be murdered and his body thrown in bushes by armed thugs, but was given a chance to live. But if he had known what the justice system had in store for him, he would have think twice before going to the police. Meet Mr. Irvin.
My name is Kevin Irvin. I am 33 years old. I'm from St. Catherine, Linstead. I'm a very hardworking individual. I'm a very sociable person. I love to socialize. I grew up in Linstead, in the town of Linstead. I attended the Linstead Primary School. I further moved to Kingston, where I attended Kingsway Prep, and then further at Russa Primary.
I made sure to ask Mr. Irvin if he had ever been in any trouble with the law before his unfortunate ordeal.
Never.
If I should choose one word out of all words to describe Kevin, I would say he is loving.
So Mr. Irvin seemed very laid back and a humbled individual at the tone of his voice. But what had happened to him was very vile, unfortunate, and I assume a lack of proper investigation carried out by our law enforcement agencies. And not only that, but the very justice system that was set in place to protect the innocent did the complete opposite. This is his story.
It was the 7th of April 2007. It was a Saturday. I worked at True Juice on one of the farms. I was a trainee contractor responsible for writing the payroll and supervising persons on the farm. It was the New Works farm. I got up early in the morning and went to work. And when I went to work, I asked my supervisor if I could leave early that day because I wanted to purchase a phone from my mother.
So Mr. Irvin left work that day, purchased the phone that he said he would. He met up with his brother and he said he went home.
I went home, and when I went home, my mother gave me a prescription, right, for my baby sister. When I got there, she was crying. Something had fell in her eye, and my mother gave me the prescription to fill, and I took the prescription. So I went back into Linstead with the purpose of filling the prescription.
No, most caring and big brother would have done what Mr. Irvin did. Even though he was just coming in from work, he took the initiative to go back on the road. He went to a pharmacy close by, but didn't get the specific medication he wanted.
The particular eye drop, I could not get it. So I decided that I would go into Bagua to fill the prescription.
Which is
not far from Linstead, man.
With the desire to ease the insufferable pain that his little sister was going through, Mr. Irvin jumped on a taxi to go to a town over But this was what happened.
So when I took the taxi, the driver told me that he was not going to Bagwak, he was actually going to Spanish Town, and it would be easier for me to get it here. So he left me at Angels Plaza in Spanish Town.
Was it that Mr. Irvin's fate was already orchestrated by the universe? Was it? So it didn't matter what he did or didn't do, he sure couldn't elude his destiny. Anyway, Mr. Irvin got the medication he wanted and was about to head back home. But just before he did, he made a call to his mom, and she advised him this.
At about 7:30, she told me that I should not go back in Spanish Town because in 2007 at that time there was some war going on in Spanish Town, so she never wanted me to go back into the town. So she said just cross the road and take a taxi and come. So I went across the road. Tried to stop a taxi stopped, and the driver said, you know, say, me can't carry you because you can't bring to a front a police down the road, and him drive.
Earlier I asked a question about the universe orchestrating Mr. Irvin's destiny, and these are some of the reasons why. 1. He asked to leave work early, and his wish was granted. 2. His little sister happened to be sick on the day he asked to leave work. 3. He could not get the medication he wanted in his hometown. 4. The taxi he took was not going to his destination, but instead was going to Spanish Town. And 5. When he was on his way back home, the first car he stopped was full. It seems like the universe already put Mr. Irvin's destiny together.
After that car drove off, another car stopped. Right? The car stopped and music and play everything like a regular taxi. But it wasn't a red plate car. So the driver, when the car stopped, the man said, Linstead? So I said, yeah man. And I went in the car. There were 3 men. The driver, and the one directly behind the driver.
How you feel when you board the car? You feel nothing?
No, I never felt anyway because it's not regular travel with robot taxi, but at that time I wanted to get out of Spanish Town. I never really want dead so, and the time was getting late. So took the car and the car drove off. Upon reaching a section of damage, you see the car glass them start wind up. So I wonder to myself, say, no rain now fall and glass a wind up, but I never really took it for anything. Glass wine up, music up.
Somebody have to ball, somebody have to plead, somebody have to lead.
So the guy behind me, beside me, I heard him say, put your hand on the seat. So when him said that, I turn around and I look at him. What you say? What you really say? So him say it again, and this time he said louder. And said, put your hand on the seat. He said, put my hand on the seat for what? And then that was when the one in the front, him turn around and push back the seat. And the guy beside me, draw a gun.
Beef your dead, you know.
Life can be very unpredictable at times. This minute, it's peace and joy, and another minute, it's war, chaos, and unrest. Now the life of Mr. Irvin is in the palm of 3 bandits that were out to ravish, rob, and destroy the life of another human being. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to catch the continuation of this true overwhelming story. Goodbye.